Zenseio's online dashboard allows you to view the status and data from all of your deployed devices in one easy location. The following guide will explain the basics of your dashboard's user interface. Let's begin. To begin using the Zenseio dashboard, visit the URL at app.zenseio.com. To log in, enter your provided case-sensitive username and password. Note you have to be registered by Zenseio to be able to log in. You can view a particular dashboard using the menu on the left-hand side. To access this menu, click the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Click on Dashboards and select the one you want. You can also select a dashboard using the boxes on the right-hand side. The Device Details dashboard is great for getting information about a particular device. For the purposes of this guide, we will be using it. In the top left corner of the Device Details dashboard, you can search for a particular device using its device ID number or select one from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected a device, you can see status information prominently displayed at the top of your dashboard. This notable status information includes signal and temperature display, battery status, firmware version, when your device last transmitted, and a list of your data types. Your Zenseio dashboard features useful graphs that display status information about your device, including battery and signal strength. For example, the battery panel shows your device's battery voltage history and device's internal temperature within your selected time range. If you'd like to display only a particular data type in a given graph, for example, battery voltage history, simply click on the one you want and it will display in isolation. The signal strength panel shows your device's signal strength history within your selected time range as well. The exact metric used to represent signal strength differs between LSMP and CSMP devices. For the purposes of this guide, we will be showing an LSMP device. For LSMP devices, the dashboard displays two signal quality indicators, RSSI for signal strength and SNR for signal-to-noise ratio or signal quality. And just like with your other graphs, you can click on either metric to view them in isolation. To revert your graph back to displaying all values, simply click the isolated metric one more time. One of the most important aspects to understand with the Zenseio dashboard is your time range. Zenseio dashboards display device information over a given period of time. In order to properly assess how a device is functioning over a particular time frame, you must select a time range using the menu in the top right corner. From here, you can select a predetermined time range in the Quick Range menu or apply a particular time range using the calendar. Sometimes you may want to select a time range based on data from one of the available graphs in the dashboard. To do this, select the range you want by clicking and dragging to highlight it, which then automatically changes your time range to display that selection. Note that this affects all displayed data on the dashboard, not just the graph highlighted. At any time, you can refresh the app in order to update all displayed data. Please note that if you want to refresh to see the latest available data, you can only do so using a time range that references the present moment, for example, last minutes, hours, or days. If you have a time range selected between two dates of the past, refreshing will not update to show you the latest data. So if you're ever in your dashboard and you wonder, why am I not seeing the latest data from my device? Be sure to check your time range. To learn more, visit Zenseio.com.